Another day. Another day, guys. Yo, it's been a long one, actually. Tired. Yeah, my headset. I'm waiting for a couple of people to join the Zoom. Been waiting, actually. Let's just put the mic on here. So everybody can hear clearly. Drag this bad boy right here. And then, yep. Boom, boom, boom. It feels so nice, guys. It's so nice, so nice, so nice. Absolutely stunning. Where are these guys? Like, yo, these niggas is wasting my time right now. Bro. Hey, my guy, what's happening now? I'm waiting here, bro. I'm waiting. Sure. On is a reality check. I gotta check in reality. I gotta check on my ass to make sure that she ain't doing better than me. So dope. That line, just that line alone. Hey, your network must be bad. Eish. Oh my guys, the loyal ones, they know, man. Oh wait, Palo, my brother, how's it? Hey man, the loyal ones know, man. The loyal ones know, guys. Hey, I've been feeling some type of way, guys. I've been seriously feeling some type of way. But then I'm waiting for Kyle, dog. Like Kyle was like at six, he's gonna pull up, and hey, I'm still waiting. But then it's no biggie. Since you guys are here, you guys can unmute yourself if you guys wanna speak. You know how the process goes, man. It ain't your first rodeo. so WhatsApp, no, not this. Let me just open Safari quickly. Get back to the trading view part of things. Quick concepts today, guys. I had a shit day. I had a shitty day today. Mainly due to me not following my own plan. Imagine that. Like yesterday, I analyzed buys, and I even posted them. GJ buys. I even posted them on Instagram. Yeah, And then stupid me tried to chase sales after that. So this is why we're here, just following the plan and sticking to what you know. Yeah, but I feel like most of the times we shy away from doing what we know works, just mainly due to ignorance. It's like it's malevolence. In fact, it's self-sabotage that later forces you to grow. You dig? It forces you to consider. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is. Hey, anyways, I don't cry over spilt milk, man. I still made a killing today, anyways, of gold. I made a nice 1,000. So it's cool. It's cool. We will let it be. Let it be. This call, guys, is basically us going over back testing. Yeah. What is back testing? Back testing is you utilizing the strategy that you have currently. Backtesting is you utilizing the strategy that you have currently, or the thought or process that you have in your head, and applying it to the charts over a quantified number of trades. For example, I usually stick to 100 trades, if not 2, because I'm a high frequency trader, so I take a lot of trades in and out, and it will help you guys to also like just adopt that same mentality. You get in, you get what you want, you leave, and then whether you come back can all be up to you later on. But as long as you secure your profits from the get immediately, and then you can like risk the other things and the profits that you've made rather than risking your own capital. Yeah. So we are looking at GJ again. I like GJ, guys. I've only traded GJ since I started trading. I think I started with GJ. You know why? Because it's so volatile. Look at this move. Like this to me doesn't make sense, guys. You cannot have how many bullish candles. But it does make sense because I know GJ. And I was anticipating this anyways, man. You guys can go to my Insta and check the IGTV video that I uploaded yesterday, and you'll see me basically detailing out exactly what's going to happen. Yeah, and it does happen. So back to back testing. Yeah, the TradingView has this amazing what you call tool, or yeah, it's a tool. Actually, it's a dope tool that we can all just use to improve our trading. Yeah, so it's called a replay. Yeah, this patcher. Yes, you replay. You choose the red line is the time where price will cut back to, and you choose how far back you want to go. We can only take on the daily. Okay, cool. But you guys know that daily is the same as 1 hour, and it moves the same as it's just a repetition on a higher time frame. Yeah, nothing different. So let's go to the daily bars, and then we'll reverse from there. Also, they did this on purpose. Yeah, they did this whole only sticking to the daily back testing thing on purpose. Why? Because daily matters more than hour. Daily matters more than 4 hours. Daily matters more than a majority of the time frames. Yeah, but I also still like I'm biased towards just using the 4 hours every now and then just to see how things work out. But yeah, oh wait, I was also like editing. I did a YouTube video on being open-minded, yeah, and that's why we have this thing going on here. It's like, yeah. Anyways, so don't mind that. It has nothing to do with what I'm discussing right now. So daily, you can choose. Let's choose again. Let's choose how far back we want to go. Take any random distance, yeah. And then what you can do is just add 2 lines. Wait, this what you call these 2 things, the short and long position thing Bob, and you'll basically be dragging these out the whole time you are trading. Let me delete that. You'll be dragging these short and long position markers as you are trading, yeah. So as to see exactly where you enter. Okay, here's Kyle. Finally, god damn. Finally, Kyle, welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. It's all. Anyways, yeah, he'll catch up. I ain't finna wait for nobody. Kylie! Hey, Jesus. Let me just wait for him so I can explain the same thing that I just explained. But yeah, short position. Let's edit here. Oh, this is the same thing, right? Let's move the one, then let's put a long position. Hey, Kyle, can you hear me? Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, cool. I bet you can hear me. So, okay, cool. So with backtesting, guys, if you go to your trading view, what you call it, thingamabob, whatever you want to call it, your trading view platform, you'll basically see a feature here. Let me see. Okay, cool. You can hear me. You can't hear me. Okay, that's weird, Kyle. I think that the problem is on your part. I think you should unmute, or maybe just try pressing a few things around. Yeah, press a few things around and you should see changes, man. Simple, you know. Oh, now you can hear me. Munsami. How's it, my brother? Still can't hear. Can you hear? Hey. What's going on here?
It's on his side, bro.
Yeah, it's on your side, dog, Kyle. It's you, not me. All the other guys can hear me. You press something. Press something, nigga. Press something, anything. Oh, let me chat to this guy. Ish. Bro. Try pressing something. Try searching for unmute. Oh, there we go. Can you hear me now? Yay. Click on join audio. Amen. This yay. How smart you must be, Excel. Okay, cool. My guy, we're basically going over a few things with backtesting, yeah? Backtesting is us going back in history to see how price moves, and we're basically going to be basing that or basing the information and the results that we get from this backtesting session, and we're going to apply it to next week's trading session. Because I take one trade a week, guys. Like my large accounts are one trade a week, yeah? And then I let it run. I don't fiddle with that shit. Because fiddling ends up with losses. Just like today. Losing day today for me. Could have made a ton, but I didn't. Because I was stupid. You know? You have to admit when you're stupid sometimes. Only then can you not be stupid. But if you don't admit you're stupid, then you'll always be stupid thinking you're smart. So
sorry, bro. I'm fully joining a laptop, not a phone, yeah, boss. So I'm just gonna
cool. I'll be on the lookout for you on the waiting room, my guy.
Sure.
Okay. Back to the back testing, yeah, Kyle. We're looking at a pair here. We're looking at GJ. Yeah. We're looking at GJ. I've traded GJ for 3 years now. I started trading with GJ. I've only been trading GJ, nothing else. I do like every once in a while dabble with the other things, but my focus is GJ, yeah. And I also would advise you to pick one pair and stick to it, yeah. Don't mess around with the other things. They'll just confuse you. Because chances are if you master one pair, then you sort it, yeah. Now, the process, Kyle, the process that you pay me for, it's simple, yeah? We look at price, and we try to distinguish all the areas where we have had turns, the turning points of price, yeah? We want to mark out all the areas where price has turned before. Do you see the extremes, yeah? Remember when your guru said you must buy low and sell high? That stupid nigga was right in a way. Was right in a way, yeah. Well, so look at it like this, yeah. All the turning points are keys, and they give you an insight what you call it, and yeah, it's like a forecast into the future, yeah. And basically, we have this single tap rejection here. We have a wick, yeah. How do you see a turning point? It is differentiated by. Let me just zoom in quickly. Oh, I need a mouse for this. Wait, let me plug in my mouse. Give me a second. Where's my mouse thing? Shit. Okay. There we go. Then I'm gonna move the mic. I'm gonna move the mic quickly. And then the mouse. You guys hear me still? Oh, you can hear me, Kyle? Shut. Okay. Yeah, the mic is just, the mouse is faster, guys, and it keeps things way simpler. So I need like another, what you call a USB port for this thing to be able to like plug in more things on the side, because this thing doesn't have a USB port. Shit. Anyways, back to the single tap rejection, yeah. Turning point, every area that has a single tap and a rejection, Kyle, you want to mark out and you want to be aware of, yeah. You want to keep a track on that of the area. So when you open your chart, immediately what you should be looking for is a single tap and then an immediate rejection after. Single tap, immediately rejected after. Single tap, immediately rejected after. Single tap, and it should reject, yeah. Now, these are the turning points. These are the extremes. These are the cheat codes. If you pay attention to these areas, they're the cheat codes, yeah. No, look at what happens. Look at what happens, yeah. So the process I go through on a day-to-day basis, and you can do this like with any time frame, and it works on every time frame too. So it's market structure, dog. It's how the price moves. It's a concept that cannot be changed, yeah. It is the skeleton, yeah, the skeleton that drives that guides the price movement, yeah. It's like a highway. So once a single tap rejection area has been created, yep, definitely single tap here, yep, single tap here, single tap here, yep. Still, you're right there. You're right. We have a single tap here. We have another area. Let's just mark them out quickly. We have another area here. And you'll see as we're marking out these single tap rejection areas, price just looks cleaner, yeah. You will start to see like what exactly is happening. So if with that being the case, you want to keep things as simple as possible for yourself, yeah. You don't want to confuse yourself, because when you try to do a lot of things at once, this is why I only trade one pair. When you try to do a lot of different things at once, you don't focus enough on one thing, and your focus is branched off into other things, and you end up missing important concepts and important turning points, yeah. So just to put this into perspective, Kyle, we have this single tap rejection area here. Now, let me drag this level down. We have this area. Yeah. So what I have noticed and what I have learned is that usually the candle that forms after this single tap rejection, meaning this candle here, just so everybody can see, this candle here, after a single tap rejection area, the candle that forms immediately after this one, the wick of that candle will be revisited in the future, yeah. When that happens, we don't know. We can only anticipate and then react based on how price is printing at that time, or at whatever time you're looking at the markets, yeah. And the market moves in 3 ways, Kai, in 4 ways actually. There is uptrend, there's consolidation, and then there's downtrend. And then there's downtrend, and then there's consolidation, and then there's uptrend, yeah. What I mean by this is just if you just pay attention to this area here, this is a consolidation area, yeah. We're not breaking up, we're not creating lower lows and lower highs. We're just stuck in a range. We're ranging, yeah. But then we broke out here. So what happens is, since we have a single tap, a rejection here in this area, price came back to retest and then it died, and then came back again, tried to push up and died. So it has been clear to us that the price cannot sustain any upside pushes, yeah. And this candle alone has engulfed this previous candle, yeah. It has engulfed it. these concepts, you like the words, you can Google them on your own, bro. It is simple shit. I'm not gonna be doing the simple shit with you. I'm just gonna be getting to the money. Yeah. So whenever that happens, like you pick the most recent turning point. Yeah. The most recent single tap and rejection. You don't focus on, you know why the most recent? Because it has more of an influence than this area here. This area will have more of an influence than this area here. Same is said with this week having more of an influence than this area. Yeah. So whenever you target trades, you target the most recent area and you focus on the most recent area. Yeah. So let's take a trade here. We have a single tap rejection. We've rejected this price. We have retested this single tap here. When you look left, you must always look left. In order to know where you're going, you must first look at where you come from. Yeah. It's like that with life too. So you need to know where price has been historically. Yeah. It's the same thing. So what we see here, what we see has happened, or what I anticipate is going to happen, is a downward push, yeah, to fill that wick, yeah. Since we have engulfed, I anticipate that price should not go higher than, when you look left again, where price is here. You look left, this is the single tap rejection wick, and this is the daily too. So it applies to every time frame, dog. You use the same process on every time frame. It only depends on how long you are willing to wait for your money, yeah. That's the only thing. You must choose how long you want to wait. So again, the highest point of the wick, of the previous week, the most recent wick, should be the area above or below that area, should be where your stop loss is, yeah. Because if price is meant to be going down, then it should not come up above and break above these highs, yeah. Because this is a high. The candle closed bearish, so definitely this was the high of this candle, yeah. And this was the high of the previous candle. So the high of the previous candle, if we are going down, cannot be broken and closed above by another candle if we are still going down, yeah. If we are going up, the low of the previous candle, if the low of the previous candle cannot be broken by the next forming candle. Let me just show you what I mean here. Here's a structure, and then here's another one. Okay, wait, what the hell? Okay, cool. Yeah. Now, if we're going up, price should not break lower than this point. So it would be wise for you to put your stop loss below this point, yeah? If it does break lower, then obviously we're going down. And where are we going if we're going down? We're going all the way back to this area here, which created the single tap rejection, yeah? Now, notice what happens when we press play here on the replay. Let's see how price prints. Oh, wait. Look at what is happening. We have not gone up above this point. We have not gone up above this point. We are still struggling to go above this high. And what is price doing? Breaking down. Yeah. Let me just add Luto again. Yeah. So price is still collapsing. Yeah. Notice again, do you see the wicks? Do you see the single tap rejection? It's single tap rejected here, and then it came back to retest. So what does that mean? We're going down. How far down are we going? You look left. Look left. The most recent wick single tap rejection you find to the left is the one that you focus on. Yeah. It's that simple, my guy. It's that simple. You just follow the wicks. You look left, find the most recent wick. And then price should continue to die here. Yeah. It should. Logically, as long as we don't go above the previous candle's high, as long as we don't go above the previous candle's high, look at what happens when I drag this thing left. See, it corresponds with all of these other areas. Yeah, so you always look left. Look left. The most recent price areas that you find to the left are the areas that you are supposed to be focusing on. Yeah? Okay, cool. So price continues, yeah? It continues. Obviously, we're coming down here. I'm not even, yeah, boy, continue. It's coming. It should push up and just retest. Oh, it doesn't. Wait. This looks like witchcraft, but it's not. It's simple price action, technical analysis, yeah? This is what you call technical analysis. We're not basing this off news and all this crap that people are. No, even the news respect technicals, my guy. Even the news. If the news happen and you have an area like this here, we have a huge rejection like this. Chances are the news won't fill this area unless it is meant to get filled. Yeah, unless it is meant to get filled, then the news won't do anything. You dig? So again, price collapsed from here. Notice how the previous candle's high is not being broken. We're still going down. Yeah, how far down are we going? Look left. Where is the next single tap rejection area? We have a wick here. Look at where this look at what this candle did. It retested that area and it continued down. Let's press play. Let's press play. See what happens. Look at this now. Look at this. See, these candles have turned, yeah? Have turned. But then you also know that in the markets, you have an impulsive move down and you have a retracement up. Yeah. The retracement up is simply price allowing sellers to get better entries. Not that the trend has changed necessarily, even though it does sometimes change, you know, but then that's on you to like analyze the smaller time frames, the 30-minute time frames, and see how those candles have formed and where those candles are rejecting from. Those single tap rejections are on the 30 minutes and hourly and 4 hourly, yeah. But on the daily, this is just a retracement up, maybe to this area here, maybe to this wick here. So maybe after this, price will continue to die, yeah. Let's see. Let's move this here. Let's say you enter here now, and then your stop is above this what you call wick, yeah. And you anticipate that it's gonna go all the way down to fill this wick, yeah. That's the wick that we're targeting here, yeah. We don't know when it's gonna happen, but we know it will, yeah. We know it will. We don't doubt that, yeah. So we wait. Let's see what happens now. Oh, getting scary. Bearish. Getting scary. But then also, dog, you just pay attention to the you need patience here, dog. That's the only thing that I think like messes up people more than anything. You need patience. Yeah. Just patience to wait for the thing, to wait for the market to show you what it wants to show you and not what you want to see. You dig? Let the market show you what it wants to show you and then react to that, yeah? So again, we have this area. Now price is rejecting from this area here, which previously left a huge wick, yeah? But then we also haven't broken above this area. When you look left from where price is, this is the most recent area and it will have more of an influence than this area. Are you familiar with support and resistance? Yeah. You're familiar with those break and retest. Once price breaks a structure, it will need to retest before continuing down. Yeah, you can Google that shit, man. Google support and resistance. Check out Wicks Don't Lie on Google, and you'll find everything you need. Wicks Don't Lie, WICK Don't Lie, one word, and he'll help you like massively. He's the guy. I'm self-taught, dog. Nobody taught me shit. Learned all of this shit by myself. 3 years. So he was there like throughout the journey. I'm like, oh, this nigga is probably on some bullshit, but he makes sense. So I'm gonna steal whatever he knows and apply to my own trading and hence get better. Yeah. So we have a single tap rejection here, and then price is coming back to retest. If price is meant to be going down, then it shouldn't break above what you call the high that we have created here. This high, yeah, because this was the impulsive move, this was the retracement. It shouldn't break above here in order for it to continue down. Yeah, let's see what happens now. Okay, notice this is the daily, Kyle. Daily, this is a lot of profit. Like that one candle is a lot of profit, my guy. Daily candle, it's a lot of profit. Yeah. So again, we seem to be creating minor support here. Oh, this is a fake out. Okay, cool. We're still dying. Okay. It's struggling to break above this support here now. It's struggling to break lower than this support. But as long as it doesn't go above this area, we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Way fine. Again, this is where you're not supposed to be greedy. Yeah. As soon as you get your target for the day, this is like, you know what? How easy this is, dog. You pick an amount that you want to make per day. You pick an amount that you are willing to lose per day. Once you hit either one of these, you stop trading for the day. You're done. Yeah. You don't continue. Because if you continue, you're going to get greedy and you start seeing trades where there aren't any trades. Yeah. And then that will lead to losses. Yeah. So pick a time, first of all, since you are working. The market, if you go to let me just show you here quickly. The markets have different times, yeah. They work at different times. Forex market time converter, Forex session. Where is it? Oh, market session converter. Forex trading session converter. No, is it Forex? Yes, Forex. You basically, we have different markets. We have different market times. Yeah, since we live in SA, our New York time is different. London time is different. Europe time is different. So the markets are open and they are volatile at different times of the day. If you can align the times where the markets are moving the best with your time to trade, then you increase the probability of your trades working out in your favor. Because there's a lot of traders in the market that see exactly the same thing that you see and will act on that same thing that you see. And by us acting together in one idea, it forces the market to move. Yeah, it forces the market to move. That's how the markets move. It's basically the same idea seen by more than one person until this is the times. Yeah, you can pick your time here, dog. Pick a time. When are you free? You know, since you're working, dog, you pick a time which is most comfortable for you, and then you set your trade, you set your take profit, you set your stop loss, and you leave. You're done. It must either hit one of both. Yeah, one of the two. I mean, it must either hit the stop loss or the take profit. Nothing in between. If it doesn't, then your trade is not done. You wait. You are patient with it. You wait. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Back to the charts. And the thing here is called what's the name of this time zone converter. Yeah, you can go to this and plan out, have a trading plan. You need a battle plan. Yeah, because you're dealing with bankers here, dog. You're dealing with institutions that know how to handle money, that know how to trade. You're dealing with big dogs here, so you don't want to be having no plan and just I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna make money. How? What's the plan? What's the exact plan? What pair are you looking at? How much are you willing to lose? How much are you targeting per day? You know, what's your risk? What's your lot size? What's your volume size? Know the specifics of what you are doing. You need to understand exactly what you are doing before you invest in it. Yeah, you need to understand exactly what you are going to be looking for and targeting before anything. Yeah. So price, as I said, will eventually fill this week, and I did mention we don't know when, but eventually it will. And the idea of this single tap rejection area, dog, it applies even to small wicks. Even to small wicks. It doesn't need to be a big wick, yeah? We have 10 minutes remaining. It doesn't need to be a big wick, yeah? It applies to small wicks too. Yeah, this wick will eventually get filled in the future. I don't know when, I don't know how, but eventually we'll need to come back and retest this area, yeah? And only by waiting and allowing the chance to show you what it wants to show you, can you really like act and benefit from seeing the trade, yeah, and seeing the opportunity. Yeah. Now don't worry, this is a retest of this area, yeah. Retest and then we go down. Wait, hold on. Oh. Yeah, you could have waited. Yeah, well, Kyle, there's different entry points. You could have waited for this area to break, yeah, and then you could have had maybe like an entry like this. Let me show you quickly. You could have had an entry like this, yeah, well, right by the retest, because you know once price breaks a structure, it needs to retest, yeah, before continuing down. So it's all up to you. You could like, and you only need one idea to work for you, Kyle, and you repeat that idea again and again and again and again and again. If you're going to be waiting for the structure to break, you wait for it on every pair that you look at, you identify the structure, you wait for it to break, and then you wait for the retest, and then you enter. That's the idea, that's the trading plan that you will have. And you repeat the same thing until it eventually gives you thousands of USD or thousands of ZARs or whatever you're trading, dog. But it's the same idea, yeah? It's repetition. You repeat. The markets do the same thing over and over because it has a set skeleton or skeletal framework that it is confined to move within. It cannot break out. It cannot just now, because we've retested here and then start pushing up. Boo! Aye, what the fuck? No, that's not how the markets move. It is organized. It is symmetrical. It is, yo, dog. It's clean. It's super clean. So again, like these ideas that you can literally go try them out for yourself. Look at this now. We have filled this wick. We have filled it. Where are we gonna go from here? You look left. You look further left. Yeah. In relation to where price is now, you look left. Which zone to the left have we not filled before? If there isn't any, then obviously we're free falling. You think, and sooner or later, free falls don't last. Free falls don't last. Yeah. Let me just move this out the way quickly. And again, we have this area. We have broken below it. Now, what happens is we need to retest. Yeah. We need to retest. Just give me a miniature. Let's move this out the way one time. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay, cool. Wait. See this whole move, the fact that we don't have any structure on the daily time frame anywhere near this area. When you look left, there is nothing to the left that even like is anything. There's nothing. So what that signals to me is a chance to buy. Yeah. To fill these wicks here now. Remember, we said these were gonna get filled sooner or later. Yeah. So now I will wait for price to show me what I need it to show me. And then I anticipate buys around this area here. Yeah. And we're gonna go all the way up to this wick. Yeah. I don't know when, I don't know how. Listager is late, excuse me. I don't know when, I don't know how, but sooner or later, you see trades like this, free fall trades are trades that I don't even like put stop losses on them because I trust them so much. I know for sure we're gonna push up, yeah. But I will wait for price to print a big bullish candle before I enter. I will wait for price to break above this zone, predetermined zone, before I enter. Yeah. So let's see what happens now. We are bullish now, yeah. We can't go lower than this point. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, getting close. Ooh, stop loss hit. Okay, wait. Stop loss. That's a loss. I would be out of the trade right now. Yeah, well, I'm out. And I'm gonna look for what? Re-entries. After my stop, I don't move my stop loss. It gets hit. I don't care. I'll look for other opportunities, yeah. I don't move the stop loss. I don't move the take profit. You must respect your stop loss, dog. That is you. Basically, you need to trust your stop loss. The moment you set your stop loss, you cannot be whimsy now and flimsy about it and you just move it around. Maybe I'm wrong. No. When you take it lower, you lose more. Instead of closing the position and opening a new position, your drawdown increases and you get fucked. You get stopped out. Your thing goes boom without you closing it. and that's bad. That's bad. And let's say, dog, you will have a separate Zoom after this, my guy. I'm just refreshers. You can pop out now, dog. We only have 4 minutes left. I'll send you a link separately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, Kyle. Back to this. We anticipate buys now. Look at this. Yeah. So
what you're trying to say is therefore that when you're looking left, right?
Yep.
And there was no point below the wick there, so you expect a buy.
Yes. if there is no, literally, this, the only reason I would say that it is going to buy would be this bullish candle print. I told you I was going to wait for a bullish confirmation. I was going to wait for a bullish confirmation before doing anything drastic, yeah? This is the bullish confirmation. This is a doji. You know dojis, you know shooting stars and all of those fucking candle patterns. They work too. If you like combine them with this wick single tap rejection theory, you get profitable like this, my guy. You make money like this. Because now you're obviously going to wait for a wick to form. You're going to wait for a doji
So
to
you
form.
just wait for that small doji to form, and then you know.
Exactly. And then you know, you after the doji has formed, you can have your stop loss as tiny as below the doji. Yeah, but then also don't have it too close that you don't allow your trade to breathe. You must give your trade room to breathe. Yeah,
Okay.
So what will happen
can
now?
you just go over that part for that look left part there, my man?
Okay. We have a single tap rejection.
Right.
Look left to the most recent area. Since now we are bullish, yeah? Since we are bullish, I look left, and which wick do I find first? I find this wick here. Wait. We have 2 minutes. Okay, I find this wick here. I find this wick. And I know the price is going to tap this area sooner or later. We've already had a big bullish close, and this is just a retest of this wick. Yeah. And as long as we don't break below this previous candle's low, we should be up. Like I said before, we shouldn't break up above the, for downside, shouldn't break above this point. Yeah, so we should go up here. Let me increase the speed. All the way up, Kyle, don't worry. So it's coming all the way up, bro. I know this is clockwork. It's tick for tech, my guy.
It's just patient.
Yes, patience, dog. You see how many days this is? You see how many days you would have waited here? These are daily candles, my bro. Daily candles. Check, we're back to this point. We're back at this fucking point that we broke out of. We're back here. We have less than a minute. We're back to this point. We're back to this point. Do you see what I mean now? Do you see why I charge you the money I charge you? Is it worth the money?
Yeah.
I think the fuck yeah. Because you can make money. You can make your money back just by what I've told you today only. So again, dog, that's it. This thing will cut now anyways. Thank you for attending, my brother. I will get in contact with you and we'll discuss the specifics of the next lesson, yeah?
Shot, bro.
Away, shot, my guy. Stop share.